By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to manage your finances effectively, empowering you to make informed choices that align with your goals. So, whether you want to save for a dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply feel more secure in your financial situation, stick around. Let's embark on this journey to financial literacy together. Understanding personal finance. Saving money is a fundamental aspect of personal finance that can significantly impact your financial health and peace of mind. One of the primary benefits of saving is the establishment of an emergency fund. Personal finance is a broad term that encompasses the management of your money and financial decisions. It includes key components such as saving, spending, and investing. Saving refers to setting aside a portion of your income for future needs or emergencies. Spending involves making choices about how to allocate your money on daily expenses and lifestyle choices. Investing, on the other hand, is about growing your wealth over time through various financial instruments like stocks, bonds, or real estate. The significance of personal finance in everyday life cannot be overstated. It directly impacts your overall well-being and future planning. When you manage your finances effectively, you reduce stress and create a sense of security. This allows you to focus on your goals, whether that's buying a home, funding your education, or preparing for retirement. Moreover, financial literacy plays a crucial role in making informed decisions. Understanding the principles of personal finance equips you with the knowledge to navigate complex financial situations, avoid debt traps, and seize investment opportunities. It empowers you to create a budget, track your expenses, and plan for the future with confidence. In a world where financial choices are abundant and often overwhelming, being financially literate is your best tool for achieving stability and success. So, let's dive deeper into these concepts and unlock the potential of personal finance together. The importance of saving. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with the resources to handle unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or car repairs, without derailing your budget. Additionally, saving for future goals, like buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement, ensures that you can achieve your dreams without relying on debt. The powerful strategy is to automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you ensure that saving becomes a consistent habit rather than an afterthought. This way, you can build your savings effortlessly, making it easier to reach your financial goals. Remember, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. So, let's embrace the importance of saving and take actionable steps toward a more secure financial future. Smart spending habits. Developing smart spending habits is essential for maintaining financial health and making informed purchasing decisions. One of the first steps in this journey is understanding the difference between needs and wants. Needs are essential items required for survival, such as food, shelter, and healthcare, while wants are non-essential luxuries that enhance our lives but aren't necessary. By prioritizing your spending based on these categories, you can allocate your resources more effectively and avoid unnecessary financial strain. Another important concept to consider is value-based spending. This approach encourages you to spend money on things that truly matter to you and align with your values. Instead of making impulsive purchases, take the time to evaluate whether a potential purchase will bring you genuine satisfaction or contribute to your long-term goals. Mindful purchasing goes hand in hand with this idea, as it involves being conscious of your spending habits and making deliberate choices rather than reacting to marketing pressures. To further enhance your spending habits, consider tracking your expenses. By keeping a record of where your money goes, you can identify spending patterns and areas where you might be overspending. This awareness allows you to make adjustments and prioritize your financial goals more effectively. Remember, smart spending is not about depriving yourself. It's about making choices that lead to a more fulfilling and financially stable life. Let's explore these habits together and take control of our financial futures. Rational thinking about money. Adopting a rational mindset towards money management is crucial for achieving financial stability and making sound decisions. The psychological aspects of money often play a significant role in how we perceive and interact with our finances. Emotions can heavily influence our spending habits, leading to impulsive purchases or emotional spending when we're feeling stressed or unhappy. Recognizing these triggers is the first step toward developing a more rational approach to money. To overcome emotional spending and impulse buys, consider implementing a few practical techniques. One effective method is the 24-hour rule. When you feel the urge to make an unplanned purchase, wait 24 hours before deciding. This pause allows you to reflect on whether the item is truly necessary or just a fleeting desire. Additionally, creating a shopping list before heading out can help you stay focused and avoid distractions that lead to unnecessary spending. Setting clear financial goals is another powerful way to guide your rational financial decisions. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or retirement, having specific targets helps you prioritize your spending and stay motivated. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. By fostering a rational mindset and employing these strategies, you can take control of your financial future and make decisions that align with your long-term aspirations. Let's embrace rational thinking about money together. Investing basics. Investing is a fundamental component of personal finance that plays a crucial role in building long-term wealth. While saving money is important for immediate needs and emergencies, investing allows your money to grow over time, helping you achieve financial goals such as retirement, home ownership, or funding education. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, which can significantly increase your wealth over the years. There are several basic investment vehicles to consider when starting your investment journey. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but they also come with higher risks. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans made to governments or corporations that typically provide more stable returns with lower risk. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them an excellent option for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Encouraging viewers to start investing early is essential, as the power of compound interest can dramatically enhance your financial growth. Compound interest allows you to earn interest on both your initial investment and the interest that accumulates over time. This means that even small contributions can grow significantly if given enough time. By understanding the basics of investing and taking action now, you can set yourself on a path toward financial independence and security. Let's explore the world of investing together. As we wrap up this discussion on personal finance, let's recap the key points we've covered. First and foremost, saving is essential for building a financial safety net and achieving your future goals. Establishing an emergency fund and practicing value-based spending can set you on the right path. Next, we explored the importance of smart spending habits, emphasizing the difference between needs and wants, and how mindful purchasing can lead to better financial decisions. Finally, we highlighted the significance of rational thinking about money, encouraging you to recognize emotional triggers and set clear financial goals to guide your choices. Remember, the journey to financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. By prioritizing saving, adopting smart spending habits, and fostering a rational mindset, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term aspirations. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable financial tips and insights. Please like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these concepts. Engaging with our community helps us create more content tailored to your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to supporting you on your financial journey. See you in the next video.